Let's start question number second of exercise 4.3. Question is multiply the following. A part is 5 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 6. See what we do while multiplying the fractions, we multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay, numerators are 5 and 2, so we will multiply it and multiply the denominators also like this. Now 5 2s are 10 and 8 6s are 48. Now we reduce the fraction. See, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, so this will be 5 upon 24. And there is one more method to reduce the fraction. I have explained you earlier also. What we do, we find the HCF of numerator and denominator. Okay, I am explaining you again. HCF of 10 and 48. And HCF of 10 and 48 is 10 4s are 40. Remainder will be 8. Now this divisor will become a dividend. 8 1s are 8. 2. This divisor will become a dividend. 2 4s are 8. So our HCF is 2. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by the HCF. So this will become 2 5s are 10 and 2 24s are 48. So this way we reduce the fraction. We can reduce the fraction directly also or by finding the HCF also. This is your wish, whatever method you can use. Okay, now let's start B part. B part is 6 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 3. We have to multiply these two fractions. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay, now we will multiply 6 and 2, this will become 12, and 7 and 3, this will become 21. This is the product. Now we have to reduce the fraction. And how we reduce the fraction? By taking the HCF, or you can solve directly also. See, 12 and 21. 12 and 21. 3 is a factor of both 12 and 21. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. This will become 4 upon 7. Like this you will solve this. You will solve these fractions. And there is one more method also. Question is 6 upon 7 and 2 by 3. Okay, so we simplify the numerator with the denominator. See, denominator 3 can divide the numerator 6. 3 जो है 6 को divide कर सकता है. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, like this. Okay, now we will multiply the numerators 2 and 2 and multiply the denominators 7 and 1. This will be 4 upon 7. Okay, you can solve by using this method or you can solve by this method also. Fine, now let's start C part. C part is 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3. We have to multiply these two fractions. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerators of both the fractions and denominators of both the fractions. And this will be 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. Now we will reduce the fraction. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So this will be 1 upon 2. Or you can use second method also. 3 upon 4 multiply by 2 upon 3. This is the method 2. Okay, in method 2 what we do, we simplify the numerator with the denominator. हम क्या करते हैं, न्यूमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. अब देखो यहाँ पर 3 है और यहाँ पर भी 3 है. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Fine. So this will be 1 multiplied by 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So this way you will solve C part of question number second. Now let's start D part. D part is 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 9. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay, like this we will multiply. Now 3 2s are 6 and 8 9s are 72. Now we have to reduce the fraction. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So this will be 1 upon 12. And if we solve this question by using second method, then how we solve? See, question is 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 9. We simplify the न्यूमिनेटर विद द डिनोमिनेटर. हम न्यूमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. अब देखो 3 upon 8 multiply by 2 upon 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So this will be, multiply the numerators and the denominators. So this will be 1 upon 12. You can solve by any method. And one thing you have to keep in mind that we simplify the numerator with denominator only, not the numerator with the numerator. जब भी हम simplify करेंगे तब हम जब भी कुछ कैंसिल करना है, ठीक है, तब हम न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ कैंसिल करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर के साथ कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते. दिस थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. E part is 11 upon 8 multiply by 4 upon 8. So what we will do, we will simplify the numerator with the denominator. Here I am using second method. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Fine. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. 11 ones are 11 and 8 twos are 16. So this is your answer. Fine. Your answer will be 11 upon 16. F part is 4 upon 8 multiply by 2 upon 12. So what we will do, we will simplify the numerator with the denominator. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Fine. Now multiply the numerators. This has become 1, this has become 1, and denominator, this is 1 and this is 12. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 1 twelves are 12. So this is question number 2 of exercise 4.3.